Oh my goodness, another fabric shopping haul? Say it isn't so. Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and I hope the start of the week has been amazing for you. Mine weekend was crazy, so many activities and trying to get ready for our upcoming retreat and just I don't know, just so much going on. But this was Bill's black bag weekend. And so I thought, you know what? I don't have any patriotic fabrics, right? So for some reason, I tend to buy patriotic fabrics based on projects. And so I have this huge stash of fabrics, but I never have patriotic when I want to do those. And now Pat's kind of got me hooked on doing Quilts of Valor and the honor quilts and blah, blah, blah. Anyways, when 35th has Bill's black bag, you get one cut at 40% off, others at 30, 20%. So you get a lot of different discounts. And so it's just worth going down. So I did and ended up grabbing a bunch of stuff. I have made this once before and it turned out really cute. So I grabbed another one of these panels. It's not my favorite only because I love the gnomes in it, but I don't like that everything's in the cream in that what I consider Williamsburg red. Uh, for patriotic, I just like more bright colors, but I did grab this panel because I thought, well, this will be quick and something fun to do. And I may end up splicing it up and not doing it just as a panel. But we'll see. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it. There was some in Bill's stash that I had not, um, some fabrics over there that I had not partaken in before. And one of those being this Halloween fabric. So you know me and Halloween, it's going to happen. And I just thought this was too cute not to pass, just to pass up. So I did grab it. I did notice though that the discounts for Bill Stash used to be $2 off Bill Stash, so that made that usually $6 a yard, and now we get 20% off. So, you know, not near as enticing as it used to be, but we'll see. Then I grabbed this yellow blender just because I knew I could use it for a lot of different things, and I grabbed this gray one. So I say Bill Stash isn't as good as buy, but I still grabbed several things out of it. And just because I tend not to buy a lot of grays, and I liked that this kind of had the stars and that in it, I thought was kind of cool. So I did grab that. I did find this panel that I had not done, but again, it's in these beige tones and that, which just drives me nuts. But it says rockets red glare, bombs bursting in the air. Just something different. This would be probably quick and easy to put together. It's all words, which is just kind of different in itself. So I did grab that panel. And that's after I said and announced on my channel a few months ago, like I'm tired of doing panels and just kind of over it. But we'll see. Maybe I'll give one of these out for as one of the prizes sometimes. I did grab another Halloween fabric that I found, and I really liked this fabric as well. And I thought that was really cute. And it's not quite cream, but it's definitely not the pure white, but I'm okay with that for Halloween. And then I did find this fabric that I thought could use, I can definitely use this, like for the dragon fabric in that I just bought may actually go with this. So I really like the deep red rust colors, the gold colors that are there. And then I found another panel, and guys, I really am trying to get over panels, but this was just too darn cute. And I may end up making this for my son. I don't know who I'm going to make it for, but it's a big panel. I mean, it's a huge panel, right? But look at this. It says, beauty doesn't wash off. Meow, no evil. Hello, sweet cheeks. Now I can't see to read them to you. Splish Splash for taking a bath. Best seat in the house. get naked and relax. I mean, this was, I don't know, this just struck me. And my son has as weird a sense of humor, so I know he would like it. Deja Poo, Potty Like a Rock Star, and Squeeze My Bottom. So, anyways, needless to say, I grabbed that panel. Not that I needed one more panel to do, but this one I definitely think I would chop up and put borders around it and all that. And so I think that would end up being really, really cute. So I did get that one. And then they did have this one for well, let's skip this one real quick because I want to show it to you in order. I did grab this. This is, I bought this fabric there before, and so it's just a good blender for the holidays. And I ended up getting several yards of this because I have a really hard time, again, finding true red, white, and blue fabrics in that. And I just really liked the way that looked. And now Pat's got me thinking all the time about Quilts of Valor and doing the honor quilts and that. And this was a new panel that they had, and I liked that pattern that Pat had sent me to do for the Quilt of Valor that I'm finishing. But this one is can definitely be done up. See, look at that distinguished eagles. I mean, like, guys, this is like real artistry. I mean, these are really just absolutely gorgeous eagles. And so there's 9 of them, I believe. And so and these are in this dark, rich, and navy colors. So I think I can definitely cut those out. I could actually use probably the 5-yard, not 5-yard, but well, it could be 5-yard, but the 3-yard quilt pattern. I think definitely cut these out, frame them up nice. I did buy the companion fabrics to go with it, and one of those is the red. And again, it's not going to be that bright red that I like, but it is this red that goes with it. And so I do think that'll make a really pretty Quilt of Valor. The blue was also the companion fabric to go with it. So now I've just got to figure out the pattern. And then I did go over and get some grunge to go with it. So I could have use this as an accent and a border to go with it. Because I do think there's so many dark, rich colors here that it needed something to kind of bring it back to life a little bit. So needless to say, walked away with over $200 worth of fabric today, and I had no idea how expensive fabric has gotten because I just haven't bought fabric like this for quite a while, really. And then we had to make one more stop because I still couldn't get everything there, so I had to go up to the local store here inside the compound, and I did grab this red and white stars for the holidays. And then I knew they had this and they didn't have it at the other store, and I do get a discount up here, and hopefully it shows up. I don't know if you all can see it, but it's got the it's white on white, but it's got American flags on it. So I definitely wanted to grab some of that. And then this one is just stars, and I grabbed some of that as well. So I think both of these will definitely work great for the table runner and some of the things we've got going. So guys, I spent too much money, spent $100 at one store, $200 at another store, and I'm like, what in the world am I doing? Because Lord knows John didn't need a huge stack of fabric, but you know what? It's not going to go bad, and it doesn't spoil sitting on the shelf. But now I won't have to shop patriotic fabric for a while. So I hope your week is starting well. I hope the best for you all. I hope you're getting excited for the 250th anniversary and that you're doing something special for our patriotic season that is just kicking off, and looking at what designs and things that you might want in your home or be gifting to others. So I hope you have an amazing week. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a current subscriber, thank you so much. A quick shout out to all my members. I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope to continue to see the membership grows, because that's what helps me not only buy fabric, but it does help me be able to provide gifts and other things that I'm doing. And with that said, guys, until next time, happy crafting.